Hey everyone, my name's Jack. I'm a drummer from Essex in the UK. I've been drumming for about 14 years since I first started playing the drums on the electronic pads for Guitar Hero, and I finally managed to convince my parents to get an acoustic kit. Since then, I've joined a band called Pet Needs, and I've been with them for about the last 5 years, using recently the Collision 5B sticks. I've tried a bunch of them out. 5B ones seem to be the ones for me at the moment. I'm quite a hard-hitting drummer. It's a punk band that we're in, so the fact that they're so durable that I can smash the cymbals and the skin so hard every night is incredible, and I don't have to change the sticks after every couple of shows as well, which is great because that's what I used to have to do. Another thing that I really like about Collision is how personal they are. I didn't expect it at all. I've been on the phone a couple of times. They've sent an email through as well. Just randomly, just saying, I'm just checking in just to see how you are. This is before I even joined the team, so that's straight away you think this is an amazing company, and they really want you to succeed as a drummer, which again you don't expect from a company like this. It's fantastic. So thank you first of all for that. The video that I'm going to show is one that I've taken during one of my drum cams that I love doing. I love creating the content. So the drum cam from a live show that we did at the Roundhouse in Camden. It was one of the Frank Turner Lost Evening nights. And yeah, I love playing live. And if we can do this every night, that's the dream. So thank you, Collision. Check it out.
I promise you, it's full on connection from here on in. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.